it's very hard to do everything you're supposed to do in a day and still have this contemplation in the back of your mind.
Well, that's a trick, yes.
So tell us the trick
All right.
to do this.
By commitment and alignment. The first thing in the morning, say, I pledge my life to thee, O Lord, and I pray for your knowledge of your will for me and the power to carry it out. Let's say. All right, so you've set up for yourself a context of all the subsequent events. Contemplation means becoming, to me at least, sensitive to the yin side of things. See, the yang side is very ego and very linear. Mm-hmm. You know, I'm going to feed the kitties, and then I'm going to take their kitty can out, and then I'm going to, right. You know, so and so, and you're going to clean the kitty box. So that's very linear. So in the nonlinear is simultaneously going on as the witness. So there's the doingness, and then there's the witnessing of it. And the witnessing of it is seeing, you know, the caringness about life in all these expressions. Okay. In other words, as you busy yourself around in the morning, mm-hmm. I'm very aware of the caringness about the quality of life around you. You're always trying to improve the quality of the kitty's life, the quality of the kitty's dirty sandbox, the quality of something you're going to make for dinner. There's always that, you know, you might say feminine, but that's not really right feminine. It's more appreciating the value of life and trying to enhance it. Mm-hmm. You know, you're always trying to enhance the experience of life for others, you see. And that's a certain dedication in itself, you see, dedication itself.
So that's what you mean when you say contemplate in the back of your mind as you're doing your daily task to kind of this contemplation.
Yeah, it is a witnessing.
Always as a witness in
All
the
right.
back of your mind in order to become more spiritual.
So as you're frying eggs, the witness of you is witnessing you frying eggs, which makes you aware of the lovingness which is behind the service which you provide to those that you love, see? Okay. So there's the witnessing. So I would say the what you're asking has to do with simultaneously witnessing.
And yet still being able to function in
you do and you witness at the same time that you do. Like we're witnessing being seated at a table, right. Talking, and then vaguely aware in the background that there is an audience listening, right. You see. But there's really the awareness that this is a unique experience for us, which I really appreciate, and I really love the fact that you suggested it, that you and I get a chance to share togetherness and the witnessing of the phenomena, mm-hmm. and share it with the group. That was a wonderful idea. Yeah.